Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you the best VPN to use in Canada in 2025, Surfshark. Guys, whether you're streaming hockey games or shielding your data from prying eyes, Surfshark's your go-to for privacy and speed. I'll also highlight NordVPN as a solid alternative. Link in description to try NordVPN and Surfshark at a great price. Let's jump in. Canada's privacy landscape is tightening with bills C11 and C18 pushing data monitoring, and public Wi-Fi spots in Toronto or Vancouver can expose your info. Surfshark's the champ here, with over 3,200 servers in 100 countries, including 150 plus in Montreal, Toronto, and Vancouver. Connect to a Canadian server for local content like CBC Gem or a US server for Netflix's full library. Surfshark's IP rotator swaps your IP every 10 minutes to dodge streaming blocks. Its clean web feature zaps ads and trackers, and with unlimited device connections, your whole crew's covered on one plan. Speeds hit 86% retention on WireGuard, so 4K streaming or gaming is buttery smooth. The kill switch and AES 256 encryption keep your data locked down, and Surfshark's audited no-logs policy, based in the Netherlands, ensures zero traces. NordVPN's a close second, rocking 8,000 plus servers across 126 countries, with 270 in Canada's key cities. Its NordLynx protocol clocks near 400 megabits per second, making it a speed beast for binge watching or torrenting. The Threat Protection Pro blocks malware and phishing sites, while obfuscated servers hide your VPN use, great for bypassing any restrictions. NordVPN secures 10 devices and has a no-logs policy audited 4 times, based in privacy-friendly Panama. Its MeshNet feature lets you create a private network for gaming or file sharing across borders, a unique perk for tech-savvy Canadians. Surfshark wins for its budget-friendly price, starting at $2.69 per month, and unlimited connections, perfect for families or streaming junkies. NordVPN's ideal for those craving premium speed and extra security tools. Link in description to try NordVPN and Surfshark at a great price.